The Beats Pill is making a strong comeback in 2024, marking a turning point in the portable Bluetooth speaker lineup. Under Apple's leadership, this new version features a revamped design, modern functionalities, and sound that lives up to Beats' reputation. Available in 3 colors, red, matte black, and champagne, this iconic speaker is ready to take over your summers and evenings. Whether it's to liven up your outdoor gatherings or your days at the beach, it stands out as a must-have choice for quality sound lovers. Check out the link to discover its exclusive offers right in the description and dive into an unmatched sound experience. On the design side, the Beats Pill keeps its iconic shape but adds a modern twist. Weighing in at just 680 grams, it's compact and features a metal grille covering the entire front and a silicone backing that provides a great grip. Its balanced dimensions, 21.9 by 7.1 by 7 centimeters, make it an easy-to-carry speaker, reinforced by a practical wrist strap. Built to withstand the ups and downs of everyday life, it has an IP67 rating, making it dust and water resistant, even though it doesn't float. With its sleek look and convenient size, it's the perfect speaker to accompany all your activities, whether it's a nature getaway or a night out with friends. Under the hood, the Beats Pill is equipped with a redesigned racetrack woofer and a 20 degrees angled neodymium tweeter, ensuring powerful and precise sound reproduction. This sound architecture allows it to deliver deep bass and clear highs, providing an immersive experience no matter what music you're listening to. Designed to meet the needs of audiophiles, it offers an impressive battery life of 24 hours, tested and often exceeded at moderate volume, making it perfect for long listening sessions. Its multifunctional USB-C connectivity not only allows for fast charging but also supports lossless audio playback and can recharge other devices, like a smartphone or tablet. With Bluetooth 5.3, it ensures a reliable and fast connection, supporting SBC and AAC codecs for optimized sound quality. While it doesn't include some advanced options like multi-point connectivity or a customizable equalizer, it makes up for it with practical features like the location mode on iOS and Android, ensuring you never lose sight of your speaker. The physical controls on the Beats Pill are minimalist but well designed to provide an intuitive user experience. With 4 discrete and ergonomic buttons, they allow you to control the power, volume, and multimedia functions with ease. Their design ensures smooth handling, although their subtlety can be an issue in bright sunlight or darkness. The integration into the Apple ecosystem makes pairing management a breeze, providing seamless synchronization with iOS devices. Android users, meanwhile, benefit from a Beats app that completes the experience by allowing for additional adjustments. Plus, its built-in microphone turns the speaker into a high-performing hands-free kit, perfect for clear calls, even in quiet environments. This versatility makes it perfect for users looking for a device that's both functional and stylish. Versatile and intuitive, the Beats Pill adapts to all your needs, whether for professional use or leisure. Against its competitors, the Beats Pill stands out for its balance of design, portability, and audio performance. Compared to the JBL Charge 5, it offers better battery life and richer bass, while being more compact and more elegant. Compared to the Sonos Rom 2, it offers a more immersive sound and a sturdier build. However, some models like JBL provide multi-pairing features that let you connect multiple speakers at once, which is missing on the Beats Pill, as it's limited to just 2 speakers. Music lovers looking for a versatile and stylish speaker will be drawn to the Beats Pill's extensive compatibility with Apple and Google ecosystems, along with its audiophile-grade capabilities that are rare in this segment. With the Beats Pill, every track takes on a new dimension, combining sound quality with elegant practicality. The Beats Pill makes a stunning comeback with a carefully crafted design, impressive battery life, and rich sound for its compact size. Perfect for on-the-go users and fans of the Apple ecosystem, it stands out for its ease of use, audio power, and many practical features. Whether you're getting ready for a night with friends or heading out on an adventure, this speaker is ready to accompany you in style. If you're looking for a portable speaker that's both practical and high-performing, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to check out all the details and take advantage of its amazing value for money. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, give a like if the video was helpful, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.